We all know the lion and lioness will have their own breed cubs. Same like the tiger and tigress will have their own breed cubs. What if the tiger cubs and the lion cubs if crossbreed? Welcome to Facts of the Fact. Hybrid animals. Liger. The liger is a hybrid cross between a male lion and a female tiger. Ligers are the biggest of all the big cats, growing to almost the lion and tiger's combined size. They carry characteristics from both parents, for instance, their love of swimming from tigers and their highly social behavior from lions. Hercules is a huge liger with a weight reaching over 410 kgs. Hercules holds the Guinness World Record for being the largest big cat in the world. He is very healthy and is expected to live a long and happy life. Wolfin. The wolfin is an amazing hybrid that comes from a bottlenose dolphin having a successful pregnancy from a false killer whale. As its name states, the false killer whale is not a whale but a very large breed of dolphin. Kekemalu was the first wolfin at Sea Life Park and she proved to be a fertile when she gave birth at a young age. But unfortunately, that first baby wolfin did not survive for long and neither did the second baby also. But luckily the third baby did. Her name is Kwali Kai and she became as large as a full-grown bottlenose dolphin within 2 months of her birth. She now lives happily with her wolfin mom and bottlenose dad at the Sea Life Park. Geep. The geep is otherwise known as a short, where is a rare crossbreed between a sheep and a goat. Even though these two have lots of similarities in their making, they are two different species and once they breed, their offsprings are usually stillborn. There were only 2 cases worldwide in which a live offspring was born but they were sterile due to intermediate number of chromosomes what they had. Wolf dog. A wolf dog is a canid hybrid resulting from the mating of a wolf and a dog. The term wolf dog is preferred by most of the animal's proponents and the breeders because the domestic dog recently was taxonomically recategorized as a subspecies of wolf. In 1998, the USDA estimated an appropriate population of 300,000 wolf dogs in the United States, which is the highest of any country worldwide, with some other sources giving a population possibly as high as 500,000. In first generation hybrids, grey wolves are most often crossed with wolf-like dogs such as German Shepherds, Serbian Huskies and Alaskan Malamutes for an appearance most appealing to owners desiring to own an exotic pet. Because wolf dogs are genetic mixtures of wolves and dogs, their physical and behavioral characteristics cannot be predicted with any certainty. Zonkey. The zonkey is a hybrid cross between a zebra and a donkey. Technically, a zonkey is the hybrid of a zebra father sire and a donkey mother dam. Tigon. Just like the liger, the tigon is quite similar in its crossbreeding. Both hybrids have the same parents from different genders. A tigon is a hybrid cross between a female lion and a male tiger. Tigons can only exist in captivity and are known to be sterile. Surprisingly, in 1943, a female tigon was able to mate with a male lion in the Munich Zoo. and their little cubs were successfully raised to adulthood. Zorse. The Zorse, or otherwise known as a Zonkey or Zebroid, is actually the offspring of a zebra and a horse or a donkey. They first appeared during in the 19th century where they were bred through somatic hybridization by Charles Darwin. They exist to this day but very rarely due to fact that they are infertile or sterile. Jagulions. This particular hybrid is actually a naturally born love child between a male jaguar and a female lion. It was unintentionally bred when its parents used to coexist in the same zoo and were raised together to become inseparable. This Jagulion now lives with his parents at the Bear Creek Wildlife Sanctuary in Ontario, Canada. The blood parrot chichil is a hybrid thought to be between the Midas and the red-head chichil, although the two parent species has not been confirmed by the breeders. The fish was first bred in Taiwan around 1986. Blood parrots should not be confused with other parrot chichil or saltwater parrotfish. You can keep them on their own, in groups or in a community of suitable tank mates. They are generally a peaceful species, but they are easily stressed by aggressive fish, which may cause them to act out. They can be quite shy and will often hide amongst the plants and decorations. Buffalo. The buffalo, which is also referred to as American hybrid, is the successful fertile offspring of an American buffalo and domestic cattle. It was scientifically created to combine characteristics from both species for the beef production industry. The first accidental cross of the two species appeared approximately 1800 years ago, and then they were intentionally crossbred during the 19th century.
Hope you have enjoyed the video. Like the video, share to your friends and subscribe for future videos.